Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, Jamaican Marquina Mindler made his one-day international debut as West Indies scored a 7-wicket win over Bangladesh in the second one-day international at Warner Park in St. Kitts on Tuesday to take an unbeatable 2-0 lead in their three-match series.
Looking to level the series after going down by 5 wickets on Sunday, Bangladesh were in early trouble after being sent to bat. Pacer Jayden Seales claiming the first 3 wickets of their innings to leave the visitors at 54 for 3. Opener Tanzid Hassan provided some resistance before he was removed by Justin Greaves for 46.
Straight to him.
Afif Hussain and Mamadullah added 36 runs for the 5th wicket before spinner Gudakesh Moti broke the partnership by dismissing Hussain for 24. Also removed Jakir Ali for 3 before debutant Jamaica's Marquina Mindler claimed his first international wicket by dismissing Rashad Hussain without scoring. Tanzim Hassan Saqib and Mamadullah then performed a rescue act to take Bangladesh from 115 for 7 to 207 before their 92-run partnership was broken.
Straight back, what a catch. Wonderful.
Mamadullah, who averages almost 200 at Warner Park, top scored with 62, while Saqib made a career-best 45. The Bangladesh innings eventually came to an end at 227 all-out as a player of the game, Seales, ended with career-best figures of 4 for 22, while Moti had 2 for 36. Set 228 runs to win and seal the series, the Windies got off to the perfect start as openers Jamaica's Brandon King and Evan Lewis took little time to settle. King brought up his 7th ODI half-century as the two carried the score beyond the 100 mark. The partnership was broken at 109 when Lewis was caught and bowled by Rashad Hussain for 49. King added another 66 runs for the 2nd wicket with Casey Carty before he was next to go for a top score of 82. Carty fell soon after for 45, but by then the Windies were 197 for 3 and coasting. Captain Shea Hope, 17, and the informed Sherfain Rutherford, 24, then carried the Windies across the line at 230 for 3 with 79 deliveries to spare.
Yeah, I feel really good knowing that I could have put in a performance to help the team win the game today. Was pleased with the way that the boys handled themselves with the ball and then in the end they were the bat.
It's a 3-match series to get it done in 2 matches. How do you feel about that also?
Yeah, that was something that we spoke about coming into this series. We have won the first game of series before and let the second one slip and then had to play like a finals for the third one. So to get over the line today was something that we worked really hard on, and getting the job done was a pleasing feeling for all of us.
The 3rd game in the series will be played on Thursday, also in St. Kitts.